Are you new to trading and don't know how to navigate around Metatrader? Stay tuned. Let me show you how. Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's your first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, chop it up into pieces so each and everyone can understand. Today we're going to look at how to use Metatrader with an emphasis placed on how to take signals using your Metatrader app. So if you're a new person to trading overall, then this video is definitely for you. Dreycosting Academy has a signal group. So if you're pressed for time, if you're busy, right, or even going through the academy, learning the skill set of trading, you can actually earn while you learn. So just click the Discord link in the description below and it will take you straight to the academy. Let's get started. So the first screen you're gonna see is what we call the quote screen, right? So let's pay attention to these things at the bottom, right? So we're gonna start down there, right? So this little arrow that you see at the bottom right here is what we call the quote screen. So here you have different type of pairs with the different quotes, right? Say that if you don't see a pair here, you could just press the plus button right here, bam, and you could type in like NZD and add like NZD CHF, right? Bam. If you go back now to the quote screen, right, bam, there it is. Yeah, say that now you want to enter NZD USD. Let me see if it's there. Bam. So I sent out the signal, right? Stop loss right here, TP1 there, right? TP2 there, right? Want to get into that, yeah? So the button beside that now is the chart, right? So the chart is now saying Euro USD, right? So if you go now to the NZD USD, bam bam, and you select chart, then bam, there we go. Gonna bring up the chart for the NZD USD, right? Here is where you have your trade screen. So the trade screen show the live trades in the position for that trade. So it show you if it's going into a profit or if it's going to a loss. So these are the trades that are open. The envelope looking into the right is what we call our history screen, right? So once you close a trade, it's gonna pop up here, right? The screen after that, I don't really use those, right? So we're just focusing on quote, chart, the position screen or the trade screen, and the history screen. That's it, right? So whenever you see me posting on Instagram and so on, I always come to the history screen to show the closed trades, right? To show the profits or the losses, right? Let's now go into NZD USD. So this is how you take a signal now. So this is gonna show you how you take an order as well as a signal, right? Same thing, right? So when I sent out the trade, I said sell NZD USD, sell stop order, right here, right? Stop loss TP1, TP2. So when I say TP1, it means that you can actually go into two trades, right? So you're going to go, both trades are going to have the same stop loss, right? One going to have this TP and one going to have this TP. That way you cover for the short term as well as the long term, right? It's a risk management strategy. So in order to go into NZD USD, you need to long press on it, right? You're going to select new order, right? Wow. So when you go to new order, you're going to see the different type of orders you can take in the market. And if you want further explanation on the type of orders in the market, please see my YouTube video in the card above. Alright, so watch me now. You have market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. Alright, so I'm pro buy stop and sell stop. So I tell them to set a sell stop order. Bam, set a sell stop, right? Bam, you put your lot size, use good risk management, right? So bam, see that you use good risk management to get about 0.05. You're gonna put right here your sell stop order of 0.701, right? 25, right? Then bam, you have your stop loss SL, right? It stands for stop loss, bam, 704, right? 0.85. Then you're gonna put in your TP. Say that you just want TP1, 0.697, right? 60. Bam, right? Then you select place. Alright, so that is how you set a pending order, right? Let's go back again now. So we're trying to enter the same order, but we're gonna use market execution. This means you want to go into the trade right away. Right? So once I don't say it's a pending order and I say it's market execution, then you should go in the trade right away, right? So there's no stop loss order. It says wherever price is, that is where you're gonna go. So bam, you put stop loss right here. We got 0.704, right? 85, right? TP 0.69760, right? Bam. And we want to go for a sell, right? So we're trying to sell, so bam, sell. So if you notice now, here on the pending order, price has not reached 701.25 as yet. So therefore this order has not triggered as yet, right? So next thing you need to know, right, when taking signals, right, is this. Say that price has moved in your favor, move in your direction, right? I can say to you, move up your stop loss to break even, and then I'm going to give you the figure for it to move to break even, right? All you're going to do, go right here, long press on the position screen, all right? Let me do this again. The position screen, not the history screen, the position screen. I'm going to long press on the position, modify, and you're going to change your stop loss. So whatever I set you to move your stop loss to, you're going to change your stop loss, right? So say that we're going down to 4, right? Bam, modify. Right? So notice right here, the stop loss has been changed to 704.84, right? So once price has gone past the break-even point, you want to move your stop loss past the break-even point. So once price has moved past the break-even point, right, then what happened is that you can no longer lose that trade again, right? So I'm here, I think this is fighting to go in profit. Alright, so this is live, guys, as I'm recording. This is live, right? So you see the numbers moving. So it move up and down, move up and down, move up and down. Say that you want to close your order manually, right? You did the ETP, but you want to close out and take profit quickly. Just right click on this. What I'm saying, right click. I mean long press, right? And you're going to select close position, right? So it's going to ask you to close with a loss, right? So bam bam, you just select close with a loss and close the position, and it's going to go in the history screen. However, if it was in a profit, then it will be closed in profit, right? So watch me now. Bam, when you close with a loss, bam. So you close that out. You made a mistake, you want to come out the trade right away. Bam. If you look on the history screen now, on that envelope, you see the trade that you have closed out and the figure that you have lost, right? Thank you guys for watching, and if there's anything on Metatrader that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go and big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out.